how to add subtitles to a video automatically with VEED. So if you want to add subtitles to a video automatically with VEED, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your VEED on your browser and make sure to sign into your account. Just click on VEED and then go with start for free and then select your project, or you can create a new project. And once you're here, you can simply upload some files. So just simply go with upload files and upload your file. Once you upload it, you can also go with the audio section and then simply upload an audio file. Go with audio and then add something as an audio. And once you have your audio, if you want to add the subtitles to it, you just need to simply go with the subtitle section, which is on the left. And here you will have an option of auto-subtitling English. Just click on it and it will generate the subtitles automatically. Just wait for a few seconds. And now here on the left side, you can see that you have your subtitles. So that's how you can get your subtitles automatically. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.